are cutting, if you are planning the wood, softwood or hardwood, and you are cutting, you are planning in a grain direction, you have no problem. Okay, let's see, like this. This is in, let's find the grain direction. Yeah, this is the grain, same direction as a grain. It's nice and smooth, no problem, easy. Even with the bigger gap, you can see it here. Okay, between the blade and between the plane. Now, if you are cutting this with this opening opposite grain direction, you will get a problem. It will start, it will stuck or tear it everything off. Now I cannot find it. Yeah, this is it. This is opposite against the grains, but you are able to adjust the gap and the depth of the knife in your planer. So first adjust the gap between knife and between the front plate. If you make it smaller gap, almost like a hair, and then you cut it against the grain direction, it's much better. It's not tearing that much, still tearing, but not that much, and you get pretty good results. Okay, now if it's still tearing off, then you adjust the length of the knife, so of the blade. So pull the blade a little bit to cut a little bit less. Now a little bit more. Yeah, and you cut it smoothly, but less off cut, much less. It doesn't take so much, but it really cuts against the grains and pretty smooth. So always, yeah, this is cut it against the grain. So with a small gap and a little of knife sticking out from the plane. So again, thank you for watching in this short tip. I like if you watching it, and yeah, thank you again, and give me thumb if you like it, and subscribe. Thank you.